How to see other viewers on Facebook story. Firstly, open your Facebook app. Now, tap on the three dash icon on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Once you are in your settings, tap on the search icon on the top right corner. Then type Who can see your stories on the search bar. After that, you will be provided with multiple options from which you need to tap on Who can see your stories. Currently, it is set to public. Tap on public. Here, you will find multiple options like friends, friends accept, and custom. Usually, it is set to public by default, but in order to see who viewed your story, tap on custom. Then, you will be guided to a page where you can see a list of your friends. Use the search bar to find a specific friend from your list. Once you are done selecting, tap on Done. As you can see, it is set. Tap on Save. After that, tap on Save to confirm it. Now, whenever your friends view a story, you will know exactly who viewed it, and that's how you can see all the viewers on Facebook story. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.